right, we got issues. That truck went off the driveway. There's no way to get that truck back on there. Plowing snow. See what happened here? Came over the lip of that driveway. You're not coming back on there four-wheel drive. The more you try to play with it, you're gonna lose your it's not gonna work. So we got this truck, we got this rig pulling that way, and we're locked off to the tree over there on here. I should probably be under that blade, but whatever. I don't think it's gonna matter that much. When I put this in reverse, he pulls. It's got nothing to do but to come out this way. It's gonna have to come out onto the driveway. I have done them before where you can just tie from the tree right to the center post of the truck and pull yourself out, but I was on a steep hill. The hill was helping me, actually. So we'll see what happens here. Ready, Oscar? Go ahead, hit it. Oh, okay. Well, oh! Snapped the rope up here. Something snapped. Let's see what it was. But we're off. Yeah, snapped the rope, end of that rope there. This guy didn't stop when we were on the driveway. But unfortunately, we're going uphill. We'll be all right. Woo! Okay, that's where we were. You weren't coming out of that. Thanks for watching, guys.